In this video, we're talking about how to turn a word problem into an equation. Sometimes we're going to be given a sentence like this: the sum of twice a number and 13 is 75. And what we need to do is come up with an equation so that we can find that number that they're asking for. So what we need to realize is that we have sort of this legend of operations. When you have word problems like this, remember that sum and, both of those words, are going to mean plus. Less than and opposite are going to mean minus, and we don't mean less than as in less than or equal to, or greater than or equal to. We mean something like 3 less than 4 is 1, right? So less than or opposite is going to be minus. Product times and of will be multiplication, and is going to be equal to. So when they give us something like this, the sum of twice a number and 13 is 75. Well, we start from the beginning and we say the sum. So we know that sum means plus, so we go ahead and write down our plus sign. The sum of twice a number and 13. So twice a number is going to be 2 times some number. We don't know what that number is yet, so we have to use a variable for it. So twice a number is going to be 2x, when x is that number. So the sum of 2x and 13 is, that means equals, is 75. So that's how we create the equation, and then it's just simple equation solving to find x. So we would subtract 13 from both sides, and we would get 2x is equal to 62. Then we divide both sides by 2, and we would get x is equal to 31, which means the sum of 2 times 31 and 13 is equal to 75. What about this one? 0.42 of 86 is what number? Well, remember that of means times or multiplication, so we have 0.42 of 86 is what number? Well, what number? We don't know what that is yet, so we'll go ahead and use x. Now we just say 0.42 times 86, that's 36.12. If we do the multiplication, is equal to x. So x is equal to 36.12 if we're looking for the number that's 0.42 of 86.